Today's Legal Matter is sponsored by Shane Smith Law.
Well, Shane, how do I get my car fixed after a car accident?
So you've got two options. One option is to just file a claim with your own car insurance company. You might do that if the other side's not taking responsibility for it or causing problems. And you talk to your car insurance company, they'll usually recommend a body shop you can take it right to. Another option is you can take it to an independent body shop that you know, if it's somebody you know and trust or a mechanic you know and trust, and have them work on it. But I would always encourage them to contact either the bad guy's insurance company or your own, whoever's going to be processing it, and have them deal with the insurance company directly and not you be stuck in the middle. Okay, there's no sense in you taking on that frustration and stress and anxiety when you need to focus on you getting better.
And maybe I should call someone like you to take on that frustration and anxiety you're talking about.
That would be great. We help clients all the time with that. We can help them walk through the property damage, but most importantly, we can help them through the personal injury part as well, so their body gets fixed just as well as that car does.
Well, where can we go to find more information from you and reach out for some help?
First off, call the office, 980-999-9999. We'll be glad to talk to you about the entire process, see how we can help, or if you're a good fit for us. Or you can order our free book, which we'll be glad to send to your listeners at shanesmithlaw.com/free book. We'll send it to them free of charge. They can listen to it and learn about it.
Great.
Thank you very much, Shane.
Thank you.